We have Varinder who has broken the story. We'll get him in a bit. Varinder, of course, is in Delhi. Varinder in Delhi, but still breaking news. Tell us about Reliance Capital.
Well, Anuj, this is one of the biggest non-core exits by Reliance Capital. Of course, they have been selling stake non-core investments in the last few months. Radio was one. We also had Paytm, but the size of this deal, what I understand is could be nearly 1,500 crores. Remember, Reliance Capital holds 25% stake in Mahindra First Choice and 35% stake in Prime Focus. What I understand is the value of Mahindra First Choice could be around 500 to 600 crores, and Prime Focus, which is already a listed entity, they hold 35% stake, and the value of that could be nearly 1,000 crores. What is important here is to understand really is that I understand that the capital gain on this, on these two investments could be anywhere between 800 to 1,000 crores. Why this is very important? Because the projected profits for this company going ahead for FY17 is nearly 950 crores. So if they're able to make anywhere between 800 to 1,000 crores, only capital gain, pure capital gain, that could mean doubling of numbers, at least for the next year. You will see 150 crores for Paytm coming in this quarter alone. But this is substantial money for a company whose profit is expected to be 950 crores. We had a word with the management and they clearly said that they would decline to comment on the same, but this is expected to conclude in the next 2 or 3 months. So let's see what happens.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Varinder.